Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In case you're joining for the first time, thank you so very much for stopping. My name is Grace and you are highly welcome. Today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you how you can improve your makeup look, how you can look sexy, you know what I mean? So if this video seems like something that might interest you, then let's hit into the full video. Before we get into the full video, please subscribe to my channel, turn off notification bell so you don't miss out any new video, and share with your friends. And let's head into the full video. First thing that you need to know about your improvement, if your makeup is going to come out right, is the fact that your eyebrows are on point. Once your eyebrows are on point, guys, the whole look is going to pop out, you know. The next thing that you need to do is to fill it. So for me to fill it now, I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty brow stylist. This is amazing. Like, I love how it comes out. It gives that of your brows a very natural look. To clean up the brows, I'm going to use my two concealer, and I'm using this Toffee concealer, and I'm using also this Elegant Pro concealer in the shade of Espresso. So next step is to make sure that your eyeshadow are well blended in. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Toffee, like the one I use underneath my brows. I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow primer. Then I'm going to be blending that in. Make sure that it melts in very well. So you have to set the concealer so that the whole look doesn't crease out. You don't want to have a running face after your makeup, so you got to set your concealer in. So now is when you have to begin with your eyeshadow, and I'm using more like a softy eye look. I want to create more like a nice beat, so I don't want a stressful eyeshadow. I'm going to buff it in with another brighter look. And guys, I don't know, I love so much bright on my eyelid. I've not created something more like a smoky before. I think that should be something that we need to do again. So I'm going to keep it soft and spicy. Now what's next? We are going to clean our face so that we'll have our foundation very nice and well sitting. So I'm going to clean the part of the eyeshadow that I don't want to show on my face. Next step is to make sure that you prime. Not to prime is a crime, so make sure that you prime your face very well. Your face is well hydrated, and you go in with your preferred foundation. Like the one I'm using now is Maybelline New York foundation. make sure you go in with the one that you prefer using. I'm not choosing any foundation shade for you today, but make sure that you improve your makeup by going in with the perfect product and perfect blend out, you know what I mean? If you are fond of highlights, this is the point you need to highlight that face, give it more like a nice beat. Then you quickly set the concealer in. Then you blend your face with your powder, like you try to mat everything all in so that they sit very softly and nicely. Make sure you bring it down to your neck so that everything goes in perfectly, you know what I mean? So after that, we're going to contour, and I like to bring my contour right from this point. So blend it to your hair line so you get more like a nice and soft look. Now we're going to browns, so make sure that your browns are on point and it gets more like a nice look. Oof. Look at that. Just gel your cheekbone out a little bit. Your nose part, you have to lift it out a little bit and trace your nose line. Look at that. Gently pick your contour and bring it out. I'm having more like a lifted nose. Why I have a flat nose? For your lashes, what you need to do is to hold your lashes at the center with your tweezer, and these lashes I've used it before, so there's no browning there. So you hold it like this, you start looking down a little bit to your mirror, you put it right at the center, leave it, then you bring this down, lay it like that, bring this part out again, you lay it right like this. So you start pressing and pushing in. Like, I know I did not apply my eyeliner, but if you want, you can do just that. After your lashes, the next step is to work on your lip, and I'm going in with my Air Woman, no, this is Devi's pencil to line out my lip. So I'm going to drop a little of nude lipstick right into the center of my lip, just like this. So after having that, I'm going to glue it out. Now let's go to the finishing part, which is the highlights. Like, I love highlight a lot. If you love highlight, please let me know in the comment section. To be building that, you have to build that in. Look at how softly that is coming in. So as a beginner, you need to just know how this whole thing works, like how you can improve that. Look at how it's glowing. I don't need more like a shouty highlight today. That is why I'm going in with this one. Like, look at how cool and soft it looks. So this is the final look of how you can improve your makeup look. I hope this video is very helpful to you. I hope you learned something. I hope you know like the step by step of how you can improve this. Like, this makeup is cool. It's cool for a beginner. It's cool for someone that is going out for a date or an occasional makeup. This look is so simple that you can go out looking very cool and calm and sexy at the same time. Let me know in the comment section if you like this look. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the family. You are highly welcome. Like this, there is space for everybody. There is space for every new subscribers. Every video, please don't go without hitting the red button below, and I'll see you until the next one. Bye.